Yes, hello everyone. In this video that I'm sharing with you, I'm just going to show you a simple way how you can make use of your email. And in this email is something very simple and very easy. If you have been following my videos in the previous post, this way around, it's not going to be something hard for you to get to know it. So in this way, you just go in your smartphone. You'll be having your smartphone, just click on your app, the Gmail app or the email app, and we'll be able to make it. So just follow me in this. You go to your Google Chrome here. When it is connected to the internet, you just when it requires you to enter or to log into your account, you're able to log into your email. So when it is done, really have to come to this Google Apps, and when you're ready there, it will now be something very easy for you. So you just let's see here, it's just Gmail. You click on it, and in this video I'm just going to show you some of the features, most of the features of this Gmail and how you can compose, and just something very easy and very simple for you. So now you see these features. Here there is an option of compose. So this is now when you want to go and send an email to your workmates, your friends, or even your boss. So you want to send the email. So this one is is requiring you now to say you send it to who. You say you send it to James. Let's say James at Gmail. And so this is his working email. So the subject, what is the subject you're going to send to, and you compose your message there. Then afterwards, it will bring for you the option here. You have to send. And again, when you want this formatting, you want to change your ways of text. Here, when you want to attach certain files, you say some photos or even others, and here is when you already have some link you want to share with him, you just click on, you share the link. Here, when you want to insert some emojis, yes, your emotions, smiling and the rest like that, and it will be able to bring for you all those. So when it's done, then you have to click send. So it's just very simple. So when you want to modify, these are the drafts, any message you have sent, yes, it will be able to show here. So you see this email address I'm using is what I have just created here. So there are not much activities inside it. So you come to inbox, maybe you have received message from here. I have received messages mostly from the Google people, yes. Then you want to start some message so that it just be very easy for you to find out to start. You want to check on your sent message, the message you have sent, share is more. So just certain things. So just make the best use of your email, and you just find it easy. So it's just a matter of knowing the email address of the person you are going to send to, and the subject, or what the attachment you are going to make, and you send. So, and you find that it is done. So when it is done, then you have to send. Just thank you. Follow more.